Yeah. Yeah. Space age forever. Nigga can't hold.
What if making music wasn't just for musicians? What if you could play any sound with a single touch? What if when you needed a break, the thing you reached for was an instrument? Take a moment for yourself. Because sometimes all you need is to make a little bit of music. Meet the Artiphon Orba. It's a musical instrument designed for your hands. It has a minimalist form factor, feather touch sensitivity, and instant playability. Orba can be as simple as a shaker, or as expansive as a synth. To make the beginner feel like a pro, and the pro feel like a beginner again.
Hi, I'm Mike. I founded Artiphon to reinvent the way we think about musical instruments and who gets to play them. A few years ago, we launched our first product, the Instrument One, on Kickstarter. And now thousands of people around the world are playing it and surprising us every day with the music they're making. We're really excited to be back to announce our second product. This is Orba. We designed Orba with our patented multi-instrument technology. It's a single instrument you can play in a variety of ways, and it adapts to your musical ideas. It's small and light enough to take anywhere, but loud enough to play with your friends. And the design was actually inspired by everyday objects, like grapefruits, and miso bowls, and teacups, and even the way we hold our phones and game controllers. It's really easy to switch modes right on the device. Choose drum, bass, chord, and lead, and you can even record a whole song with the built-in looper. And there's no right or wrong way to play it. You can tap, slide, use vibrato, wave it around in the air, shake it, and even strum through chords. We built a lot of interesting technology into Orba. Its capacitive sensors respond to even the lightest touch, and its accelerometer and gyroscope capture the way you naturally move with the music. And its built-in synth and speaker let you make music wherever you are. Or, with Bluetooth MIDI or USB, you can connect to hundreds of apps like GarageBand on your computer or phone and play any sound imaginable. We invite you to join us. We're really excited to bring Orba into the world, and especially to hear the music that you make with it. Thanks.